Artificial intelligence is everywhere. But what exactly is AI? In just 2 minutes, I'll break down the basics in a simple and clear way. Before we start, make sure to hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you never miss out on quick tech insights. Artificial intelligence, or AI, refers to the ability of machines to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. These include things like recognizing speech, solving problems, learning from experience, and making decisions. Think of AI as a system designed to mimic human thought processes and behaviors, but without the limitations of needing sleep or making emotional decisions. AI operates through algorithms, which are sets of instructions that tell the computer what to do. One of the most powerful forms of AI is called machine learning. This is when computers are given large amounts of data, and they learn patterns from it. For example, Netflix uses AI to recommend shows based on what you've watched before, and self-driving cars use AI to recognize traffic signs and avoid obstacles. AI is transforming industries like healthcare, finance, and entertainment by increasing efficiency, reducing errors, and even creating new possibilities. In healthcare, AI can help doctors diagnose diseases faster. In finance, it helps detect fraud. AI isn't just the future, it's here now, changing the way we live and work every day. So, in short, artificial intelligence is a machine's ability to think and learn like a human, helping us solve complex problems and improve our everyday lives. If you found this 2-minute AI breakdown helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech overviews and AI tutorials. See you in the next video.